More and more employers are getting interested in putting wellness incentives into their workplace to keep their employees healthy. And that ranges from smoking cessation programs to exercise and weight loss programs. But I think a lot of employers don't realize the value that a dietary supplement incentive can also have for workplace wellness. CRN's foundation commissioned a study by Frost and Sullivan to look at the economic cost of 4 different diseases and how the regular use of dietary supplements could help lower the medical costs that are associated with these diseases. What Frost and Sullivan found from their research was that regular use of dietary supplements at these preventative levels reduced the incidence of the disease, they reduced the medical cost associated with that. So looking at hospital stays and emergency room visits that result from these diseases. And so by reducing those incidents, you reduce the cost of the disease, you keep people healthier, and that means that there's a savings in the billions of dollars back to the healthcare system. And in the case of employers, it means lower healthcare costs for them, it means lower insurance premium costs, and in many cases, they can pass those savings back to their employees as well. So everybody benefits. You know, as we look towards the future, we know that we have spiraling healthcare costs. They're only going to continue to increase. We have an aging population, so our workforce is getting older, more prevalent of these kinds of chronic diseases. Dietary supplements, as part of a workforce wellness program, can help to reduce those costs and help to keep that aging population healthier.